Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another 2 looks using the same shades, but they're going to be 2 different looks using the Blood Sugar palette. I know Jeffree had just done like a reveal video of the new Royal Blood or Royal whatever palette, and I wasn't too enthused with it. There was a lot of really light shades. There was not really rich, like deep, darker purples like I wanted. And so since I have like 3 Jeffree Star palettes on my counter to use for this month, I figured why not use this palette to create some looks. And I'm not going to be talking through this. I woke up at 6:10 this morning with a pretty bad headache. It's mainly behind this eye, and it's now like 8:15 in the morning and I've still got the headache. And so this entire side of my head is like going. I am like testing out, I'm trying to paint my nails with the nail polishes I have on the counters to see which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to get rid of. So you'll be seeing me with multiple different shades of nail polishes in some future videos. So that's, and some of these look pretty rough, and I just painted my nails 2 days ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully you guys like this, and then I'll do like a wrap up at the end. So this is the finished 2 looks using the Blood Sugar palette. I only used 3 shades. I used Cavity, O Positive, and Sweetener. So I started off with this like really hot pink shade, and then I used this like grayish purple shade, O Positive, and then I used Sweetener. So I just used these 3 to create these 2 looks. And if you noticed when I applied Sweetener, I stopped like right here on both eyes. I didn't carry it all the way in on my lid, and I didn't use a lighter shade on my inner corner at all. I did put it up on my brow bone just a little bit, but I really like how both of these turned out. I don't know, they're both different, but I like them. I don't know, I like them. So I just want to show you that you can get use out of palettes that are older, that you have, that you enjoy, that you like, just by like switching up where you put the colors in like your look. You can use the same shades. Say you've only got a 6-pan or a 9-pan palette, but depending on where the shades are located on your face, depends on how the look is going to be. So that's why I'm doing this series. This is the 3rd video, I think. No, 4th video, because I did the Conspiracy palette, Jawbreaker, and the BH Sagittarius palette. So this makes number 4 that I've done so far. So hopefully you guys like these videos, because I do not have the budget to go out and like buy new makeup and stuff like that unless something is sent to me from like a subscriber or something like that, since I don't get PR. That's the only way I can test out new makeup, is if somebody sends me something. But I really do like going through my collection and shopping my stash. I pulled 4 palettes and a bunch of singles for the month of February. So I think for next month, since I'm not like reviewing a whole bunch of new palettes and that kind of stuff, I think that I want to pull at least 3 or 4 palettes for next month as well, so I can continue doing this series. And probably the next ones that I do with this, I'll be using my singles. So hopefully you guys like this. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I hope my headache goes away soon.